Here is the 2010 to 2015 Hyundai Tucson. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Let's go ahead and open up the passenger side door. Now let's open up the glove box. Now empty out the glove box. Whatever's in there, just get it out because we need to drop this glove box down. So first just grab that arm on the side, the dampener arm, and just pull it out straight. And now push it in to get it out of the way. Inside the glove box, the stopper clip is twisted left. Push the glove box in and then get the clip out. Same thing on the other side. Twist this left, push the glove box in and then get the clip out. At this point the glove box should just drop right down, and that's the filter cover right there. That's clip on the side. Press it down with two of your fingers. Just press it down like that. That's loose, and now you can get the entire cover off at an angle. It comes out of an angle like that, just the way I'm showing. Yep, get it out. Now the filter, just put one finger on the very edge over there, just push it in and you'll be able to get your finger in and then just slide the entire filter out. Now if you look at the filter, there's an arrow marking it. This arrow marks the top side of the filter, not the direction of airflow. The airflow goes from top to bottom. The top side is where the dirty air comes. All the dirt gets trapped on the top side, and then clean air from the bottom goes into the car. The bottom side is clean, there's no dirt there. So get the new filter and align it properly with the airflow direction going from top to bottom. In my case, I'm just putting this old filter back in. Get the filter in, nothing should be sticking out, it's all the way inside the housing. Put the cover back on and slow down over here. Make sure this one edge goes in properly. It should go in at an angle, it should just slide in. Like that, see, it slides in now, and yep, that is good. Once it's in, the cover goes on like that. So push it on and clipped, and it's good. Now let's put the glove box back. So push the glove box in far enough that that hole should match with that slot there. Now one side of that stopper clip has like a step, like one tooth on it. Match it with the proper side. Only when you match it properly will it go in, otherwise it won't go in. See, now it goes in, drops in. Twist your right, a quarter turn, and it's locked. Repeat the process on the other side. Push the glove box in, get the other clip and match the side with the tooth over there. Push it in, twist your right, locked. And now let's get that dampener arm, get it out, align it over there, and then push it on to lock it in place, and that is good. Let's see the glove box. Everything is working good, and that's pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful.